Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I painted and reupholstered these chairs for a more modern look. I started off by removing the seat back and bottom before I cleaned everything. I used simple green to spray down the chair and then used a microfiber cloth to remove any dirt and grease. Then I sprayed everything with water and used a clean rag to wipe everything down again. I gave the chairs a scuff sand with 120 grit sandpaper to remove the shiny finish so the paint would adhere better later. I also hand sanded with 120 grit sandpaper in the areas that I couldn't reach with my sander. I sprayed the chairs again with water and wiped back all the sanding dust. I found this really dark navy paint in the mist tint section at Lowe's for $9. I'm giving it a really good mix before I use my brush to apply it. As you can see, the first coat wasn't perfect and had patches and streaks. I went in and did a second coat once it had dried. For the top coat, I mixed a little bit of the paint with a water-based polyurethane to help prevent streaks in the finish. I made sure to mix it really well before applying it. I decided to try and use a sponge that I got from the dollar store to apply the top coat on the first chair. It was really dark in my garage and hard for me to see where I was applying the top coat on the dark paint, so I had to put a light directly on the chair. I didn't really like using the sponge, so I used a brush to apply the top coat on the second chair. After I was done, I made sure to check for any drips and brush those out before it dried. For reupholstering, I had found this grayish-blue corduroy fabric at an estate sale for $2. I put the chair back on the fabric and made sure I had enough on all sides to staple before cutting it out. I used 3/8" staples and stapled one of the long sides first. Then I stapled the second long side and made sure to pull the fabric tight before I stapled it in place. I cut off some extra fabric on the corners so it was less bulky, and took my time making small creases in the fabric, checking to make sure it looked good from the front before stapling it to secure it. I did the same thing on the other side, pulling the fabric tight so it looked smooth on the front. For the seat, I cut out more fabric and did basically the same process. had to cut a small slit in the fabric for the mounting bracket to go through, and then I put staples on both sides of the slit. I cut off the extra fabric, and now it's time to put the seats back on for the final reveal. Here's how they looked before with the old stained fabric and light wood frame. And here's how they turned out. I think they look really modern with the dark frame, and I love how the corduroy fabric complements it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.